are among the hosts defining qualities, and this host especially, a comedic genius who continues to discover new ways to inspire and entertain. The best host for Entertainment Famous goes to Vice Ganda.
To receive her second Famous Award. Congratulations, Ms. Vice Ganda.
Yehey, meron akong Famous for TV. Binigyan niya ako ng Famous for Movies, ganyan, Famous for Broadcast. Maraming salamat. First nyo to at first ko rin to. Thank you so much for seeing me. Thank you so much for appreciating me, for validating my hard work, my purpose, my passion, my talent, my skills. Maraming salamat po. Again, this award I share with Ann Curtis, Bong Navarro, Joe Hilario, Ami Perez, Ogie Alcacid, Jukes, Teddy, Karel, Jackie, my husband Ayon, MC, Lassie, Sean, Darren, and my baby Ryan Bang. Sino pa ba? Mga bago namin kasama, sila Brent Manalo, sila Ral, ang Showtime Baby Dolls. Maraming salamat po. Nakakatuwa. Pero bukod po dito, kasi kanina pupunta ako rito, sabi ko, ano ba kayong mapapala ko pag pumunta ako sa event na yun? Bukod sa manonominate ako, baka manalo ako. Ang pinaka-takeaway ko ngayong gabi ko, I am just so happy to be here because aside from this trophy, I was able to witness the excitement in the eyes of these children tonight. You guys inspire me. Kanina pa ako nakatingin dito sa mga bata ko, sabi ko, grabe yung mga mata nila, excited na excited sila, at sila yung pinakamasaya tonight. Sabi ko, I will still wanna be these children na hindi nawawala ng excitement. For 16 years, I have been performing in front of the camera para panoorin nyo sa noontime show. Araw-araw for 16 years. At minsan po talaga napapagod ako, nawawalan ako ng gana, naiirita ako, nasistress ako sa dami ng nangyayari sa paligid, sa loob at sa labas ng building at ng studio sa buong Pilipinas. Nakaka-stress din po, especially Showtime has been airing live for the past 16 years. Imagine yung 16 years na yun, minsan parang bilang pangkaraniwang tao lang. Minsan nakakawala talaga ng amat. Parang ang baba ng amats ko, parang ang baba ng trip ko, hindi ako ganado, parang hindi ko masyadong bet. Pero these children tonight reminded me na dapat ganyan. Dapat excited tayo para masaya tayo. Because when you lose excitement, you lose the fun. When you lose the fun, you lose the joy. And thank you so much for inspiring me tonight. And aside from these children, nung narinig ko nakita ko at inawardan nyo kanina si Miss Tina Loy, that gave me so much inspiration. Oh my God, hearing those stories, seeing her presence, feeling her energy tonight, and being able to witness her and hear her voice na sobrang crisp pa. Sabi ko nga kay Miss Corina, sabi ko, grabe, 90 years old na siya. Ganyan pa kalinaw at kaganda yung boses niya. Maririnig mo yung conviction niya, maririnig mo yung disiplina sa lalamunan niya. 90 years old, diba? It will require so much discipline para ma-preserve niya yung ganung boses. Diba? Tapos, sabi ko, bukod sa tropeyong to, this event gave me so much inspiration, and I am so looking forward to going back to the studio again tomorrow, carrying this inspiration from the children and from Miss Tina Loy and Miss Trophy. Maraming salamat po. At sana mabuhay ulit ng buhay na buhay ang telebisyon. At kasabay nito yung pagtatribe ng iba pang mga platforms katulad ng mga new media na binabanggit nyo, ang YouTube, ng Facebook at lahat ng mga content creators. Sana lahat tayo magtagumpay, mabuhay tayong lahat. Maraming salamat po.